He said she'd been putting her hands on him for months. She said he ripped her door handle off and pulled her hair. Only one of them ended up in handcuffs, and it wasn't who you'd expect.
Hello. So what's going on? You can hang up with him.
Okay.
So what's going on?
We got into an argument. And
What's your name?
Ashley.
So did you guys live together in the same house?
Yeah, we used to.
Okay.
We've been having issues we've been trying to figure out.
Put your window down a little bit more. It's hard to hear you.
We've been having issues lately. So he lives here and I live with my parents. We were trying to work on things.
Okay.
And I just bought this car, so I really didn't know how to go about it with like insurance and stuff. That's why I called.
What's wrong with the car?
He ripped off my handle.
1095. 1095. Okay. And he kicked the door too?
Probably.
Okay. Okay. And there's a bottom. There's a scratch there at the door. So the car's registered to you.
Yes.
Okay. And then was there anything else violent that happened?
He pulled my hair.
Where did that happen at here? Okay, just hang out there for a minute.
She's literally been sitting here emotionally draining me for the past fucking week.
Okay.
And playing with my emotions. 1 minute she loves me, 1 minute she doesn't, the next minute she wants to be together, the next minute she doesn't. I can literally go through and show you all the messages right now, dude.
Okay.
Of where I've literally asked her, hold on, where I've literally asked her to leave me the fuck alone if she cannot make up her mind that she's mentally destroying me. Okay. And I cannot take it no more.
Okay. So what's your Noah? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Noah, what's your relationship? Are you guys married? Are you dating?
No, we were dating for the past fucking 3.5 years, and it's been on and off of she wants to be together, she doesn't want to be together, and then it's, oh, I love you, I care about you, and then it's, I don't love you, I don't care about you, you're a piece of shit, blah, 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 blah. She has mental fucking issues, and I've really asked her numerous times to please calm down, stop fighting with me. I do not feel like fighting, I don't want to argue, I don't want to scream, we can talk about it as adults humanly and civilly. She literally just came inside, she literally said she was leaving just now. I said, okay, well, if you're leaving, do not come back. If you would like to be able to be together and talk about it, then come in and talk to me about it. As an adult, do not start whatever, blah, blah, blah. She starts throwing my fucking tablet and she starts fucking screaming at me. I did rip her door handle off because I was trying to give her a fucking hug. But, like, I didn't mean to pull on it hard. I literally went to pull on it and it came off because she locked it, but...
So where do you guys live?
I live right here in... She's supposed to live at her parents', but she came up here to spend time with me a fucking month ago and has been here since.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you or anything?
I got my vape and a room key.
Okay.
So what's going on?
She's been physically...
What's your name?
My name's Noah. She already told you everything, so I don't know why you're coming over here.
Well, I'm trying to get your side of the story.
Well, she's probably told you some shit already. She didn't
Like
tell
what?
you probably what? That I fucking ripped her door handle off and I fucking went to grab her just now to give her a hug before she left.
Okay. Did you rip the door handle off?
Obviously it's not fucking on
Okay,
there.
well, yeah, so why is that bullshit if that happened?
Because, dude, it's literally bullshit. I've literally asked her to stop fighting with me multiple times that she's working me up. Like, come here, I will literally show you the fucking messages right now, dude, of me asking her numerous times to leave me the fuck alone.
Okay.
Leave me alone. I don't want to fight. I love you. I care about you. I don't want to fight.
Okay.
Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. She comes out here and she sits here, sir, for hours on end, messaging me some then I sit there and I ask her, I'm like, okay, well, if you want to fix this and you want to be together, then you need to grow up and talk to me about this and be with me because you're pushing me to points I don't want to be at. This is not who I am. And she literally sits there and works me the fuck up and then plays victim afterward. And it's narcissistic and fucking manipulating. And then she sits there and tells me, oh, I'm the problem, I'm the problem. Okay, well, I can literally show you right here multiple times of me asking her to please leave me alone. Okay. That I don't feel like fighting, I don't feel like arguing, and if that's what she wants to do, to please leave. That she does not welcome me.
Was she up in your
yes,
rental
she was
room?
In my room.
Okay.
Like, she literally went to started throwing my tablet, and that's when I really got pissed the fuck off, because I literally told her, I'm trying to talk to you as an adult, you were trying to destroy my shit now. Okay. Because you couldn't go through and find a message where you claim you apologized a week ago for the way you were acting. And I was like, no, you really haven't, and that's part of my problem.
So you guys live together?
Yep.
How did things go there? Did you guys ever have any issues like this there?
We had issues, but it wasn't this fucking bad. She literally keeps it continuing going. That's why I'm in Richland Center. It's because she kicked me out at 4 a.m. from her parents' house. I came here, I started working for Harmony Place for
Okay, yep.
Okay? Lily came here, started working here, fucking doing my own fucking thing. A week later, she comes back into my life trying to fucking run in. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm changing, blah, 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 I love you, da, 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 da. I'm like, okay, well, I don't want the fighting to continue and stuff. That's why I left.
How did the door handle on the car get broken?
I grabbed it.
Okay.
I went to open it to give her a hug and basically tell her goodbye, and she fucking locked the door when I went to grab it. And
why would she lock the door? Why wasn't she receptive to your hug?
Because she was mad at me. Okay. But I was literally just giving her a hug and telling her to go.
Okay.
Leave it alone. That's all I wanted to do is give her a hug, tell you I love you, goodbye, and go about our way. Don't want to do it no more.
Okay.
Was your
argument happened inside the room too?
Yeah.
What happened inside the room?
I went to give her a hug basically when she walked out, and she fucking, yeah. I went to grab the blanket and probably grabbed her fucking hair too.
Okay. Did you grab her by the arm or something, or?
No, I grabbed her.
So
like,
how did you grab her hair?
Okay, I'm not trying to touch you, sir, but I went like this, and like the blanket's wrapped around her, right? I went like this to grab the blanket.
Okay.
Basically, just to pull her towards me, give her a hug, and say goodbye.
Okay.
Boom, done. Nothing major, nothing fucking mean, nothing.
Okay.
She literally went like this and yanked. So I'm assuming that her hair was probably under the blanket.
Okay.
Or strands of it were at least. Went to grab it and pull it back. She fell backwards. I literally went like this to help her back up and tell her to go. That was it.
All right. Anything else? Anything else happened up in the room?
No.
Are you hurt at all anyway?
No. Dude, this is literally from her slamming the door on me the other day, and she's literally fucking shoved me in all kinds of shit. But I really don't sit there and fucking bitch about it.
Okay. So things haven't been going well for a while, it sounds like. Is that safe to say, Noah?
Whatever you want to call it, dude.
Okay. All right. Well, unfortunately, Noah, you're going to be under arrest at this point, at least for disorderly conduct.
Okay, and what about her, dude, for throwing my shit?
So you need to stand up and cooperate with us.
Okay, here.
Turn around.
Here.
Turn around.
So she gets to be scot-free for putting her hands on me and
That's all I'm asking.
No, in Wisconsin,
No, I am cooperating with you, but it's scot-free for her to put her hands on me and shit all the fucking time?
no, nobody's saying that's right.
That's literally what you're saying right now.
No, it's not.
Because she literally put her hands on me
literally
multiple fucking times.
If you want Officer Moose is going to transport you, you want to give him a statement about what happened in the past?
No, I don't fucking care. I don't fucking care. Fuck you guys.
Okay, sure, come on over.
No, don't my
Where do you want your tablet, Noah?
I can watch you put it in my room. I don't want you. You're not just welcomed in my room.
You can take that to jail with him. The big
Well,
stuff.
let's just put it. You got a room key. Let's just put it in the room.
Yeah, that's what I said. I can watch you put it in my room. My room key's right in there. If you want to grab it, sir, I will work with you calmly, sir. Please grab my stuff. I want to work with him. Please grab my stuff. I will go in with you. Well, you haven't said shit either. You can grab it and I'll watch you.
What am I doing?
My
Grab
tablet,
those two things in the room key. We're gonna
my
put it in
vape,
his room.
and the room key.
Okay, let's worry about him. Where's your door handle at? Okay, so let's worry. He's going to jail for at least disorderly conduct at this point. So we'll deal with that. I'm going to take some pictures of your car, and then I'll get a statement from you. We'll do some paperwork on that stuff, okay? So let's just wait for him to get out of here. Don't respond back to him. Just.
I did it.
Calm down, okay?
No, sir, I'm not going to calm down when I'm literally going to jail for her literally starting shit with me constantly, bro.
Just the room?
Yeah.
You just don't shout it till you get other people out. Okay, I'm gonna put these right in your pocket.
Put them right. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
She's literally put her hands on me numerous fucking times, dude.
I was glad to take your statement to reflect all the concerns you have for your relationship. I'm glad to.
There ain't no fucking relationship with that, dude.
Well, with your interactions. I'm not trying to pick the wrong word. I'm just trying to communicate, okay?
Do you have any marks on you from pulling? What side of the hair did he pull?
He pretty much like my hair.
How did he do that? Tell me again about that.
I was going to walk out the door after grabbing my stuff,
Okay.
and I still had clothes in my hand, and he just grabbed and yanked.
Did it cause you pain? Did it hurt when he did that?
Yes.
Anything else? Anything else that you touched with or anything like that? Any other injuries? I noticed you got some marks on your legs, but I don't know what that's from. On the other leg, your shin, maybe bruises or mosquito bites. I don't know.
Mosquito bites,
Okay.
probably.
Okay.
But no, I
How long
don't
is
want
he-
to press any charges.
Well, you don't. I guess you don't have to because the state of Wisconsin anytime a domestic disturbance happens, that the primary aggressor has to be arrested, and that's state law. Nothing that I do. It's the state of Wisconsin. Nothing that you do. The state of Wisconsin just does that, and that's just the way things are to prevent violence happening later. Okay, we'll just stay here when Officer Nussi leaves with them. Do you want to maybe follow him up to jail and just make sure everything happens good? So when he leaves, then we'll just do stuff here. So why are you here today visiting?
I work today through Wednesday, and then I have Thursday off, and then I work again on Friday.
Okay.
So I usually come here like while I work, so
Okay.
I'm able to get to and from work easier.
And you don't want to do anything with the battery?
No.
Okay.
I
How
don't
about the
wanna-
damage to your car?
If I have to pay for something, I want him to pay for that.
Well, I can't. The only way we can do that if he's criminally charged with something for restitution.
Okay. I guess I don't really know. I don't want anything to happen to him. I just...
Well, I mean, he's arrested already. The state of Wisconsin's doing that, but it's up to you. It's your property. Why don't we do this? Why don't we just do disorderly conduct? We'll do damage to property for that.
Yeah,
Okay?
property damage.
Yep. And then the battery part, we'll let that go as part of the disorderly conduct for pulling your hair.
Yeah.
Okay. Does that sound fair to you?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'm going to take some pictures of the door. And where's the part at? When he left, did you pick up the part then?
No, I just cracked the window up. I was like, give me the door handle, because he was trying to fix it. He was trying to put it back on like it.
Did he pull it because he was angry?
Yeah.
Trying to get into the car?
Yes.
They don't
He
know.
didn't want me to leave, basically.
Because of why?
Because he wants me to sit down and have a conversation with him, and like, this is how most...
I'm going to take a picture of the door, so. Any mental illness with him?
I know he's autistic.
Okay.
Anything
Does
else
that
I'm
come
not
into
really
play
sure.
a little bit of any of this?
Probably.
It looks like he kicked the door too, so I don't know if there's a dent there. It looks like there's a scuff that looks like could be consistent with a kick.
Okay, well, you told me that she's been physical with you for...
She's literally been physical with me for the past couple months, dude.
Okay.
And I literally left it the fuck alone. It is what it is, hoping one day it'll get fucking better. You know what? Hey, you know what? You want to keep putting your hands on me, whatever? And I've literally asked multiple times. That's the reason I said, if one of you want to go back and grab the tablet, bro, I will literally give you the room key, and I can show you all the fucking messages of me saying, hey, I don't want to do
But
this.
on this particular...
I don't... On today?
Yeah, on this particular day, she was leaving?
No,
Or
she wasn't leaving.
Okay, she just was out in her car? Or...
She literally was sitting there. Okay, so she got mad at me this morning or whatever, right? Because like she literally pulled this shit last night of, oh, blah, 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 gets me back to the hotel and drops me off. Oh, I don't want to be with you. Literally after all day, literally being just fucking fine, nothing wrong, fucking having a good time, went out to her parents' house, spent time with her family, all kinds of shit. Took her out to dinner, all kinds of stuff. We get back, and then it's, oh, I don't, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, okay, whatever, dude. I was like, if that's the case, then go.
And
Leave.
did she leave last night?
No.
Oh, okay.
She fucking left when we sat in her car. Okay, and then about 2-3 hours later, here she is messaging me, oh, blah, 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 I want to come back, and I love you, and blah, blah, blah. I just don't think we're going to work out together, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, okay, if that's the case, then don't be here.
Okay.
Give me the money you owe me, basically, and leave.
Okay.
And she's like, okay, well, can I stay there for 3 days, and blah, 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 blah. And I was like, okay, well, let me ask you this. If somebody just did the same thing you just did to me, would you let them stay there? And she was like, well, yeah, it's 3 days, and blah, 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 blah. I was like, okay, well, if you really want to, then you can. But I really don't think it's a good idea. I don't want you here, really, because you're sitting here playing with my emotions to the point that I'm becoming somebody I don't know who the I am anymore.
Okay.
I said, it's to the point that I literally don't know how to act anymore. You're pushing me to the buttons where I'm really starting to get physical and starting to get mad. And I said, that's not who I am. I said, I've never gotten physical with a woman like this before. I've never fucking done anything like this. And you were literally keep egging me on. I've asked you to leave me alone. And then you know that you fucking, that I love you and I care about you. So you literally go like this. I'm like, I'm not going to do anything. But I said, you literally go like this with the doorway, dude. You'll step in it one day, you'll step out of the next. You'll step in it one day, you'll step out of the next. I said, you need to make up your mind, dude, because it's really starting to mentally and emotionally drain me.
And that's when you were...
That's finally when I snapped the off. Yeah.
All right.
Because I literally can't do it no more. I've asked multiple times, hey, I'm starting to get to a point where I don't want to be. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone.
All right, so
and then instead of calling you guys, because I don't like you guys, real honestly, I don't think you guys do your job properly.
Okay.
That's just how that is. Nothing against you guys
personally,
like, personally,
yeah.
But
Okay.
In the force period, I don't feel like it's done properly.
Okay.
It's Wisconsin's a woman's state. Look who's in jail now. Like, yeah, I fucking grabbed her this morning, basically went to grab the blanket. Like, I'm not going to grab you hard. I literally grabbed the blanket like this, basically to, like, pull the blanket back. That was it. Wasn't trying to grab her hair, wasn't trying to grab nothing. Like, wasn't trying to be forceful or anything. Literally was just trying to grab the blanket. And she fucking made it like I yanked her fucking hair out and slammed her to the ground and all kinds of shit. Being dramatic. And that's really who she is. She's just fucking dramatic. Like,
so I'll reflect that in my narrative. I'm going to write a supplemental narrative, and I'll reflect everything you told me in that narrative. I didn't have any conversation with her, but...
And that's the thing, dude, is no, your one buddy wants to, oh, blah, 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 blah. Oh, yeah, it's because of this, okay? Yeah, but nobody wanted to listen to my side of it. They just wanted to see, oh, yeah, the door handle's off. Yeah, I took the fucking handle off.
I saw the officer speaking to her that when he came over, and then he was speaking to you.
Yeah, and did you see the way he was speaking to me? He didn't want to fucking listen to me. That's the reason I literally told him not to fucking talk to me. I'll talk to you, and I'll talk to him. Because he wanted to sit there and go right off the bat of what the fuck she said. Not of, oh, let's get both sides of the fucking story. Let's not hear this right off. Yeah, did you rip the door handle off? Yes, I ripped the door handle off. I'm not going to lie to you.
Sure.
I did. I didn't mean to. I literally went to grab it, and I pulled it harder apparently than I fucking thought I did. Like,
okay. Well, I didn't, like I said, I didn't talk to her, but I'll reflect what you said in your report. I'm not sure what the charges are. It's usually domestic disorderly conduct.
No, it was apparently disorderly conduct right now, which is because it's literally both sides. But
all right,
I bet you she gets to go scot-free. I bet you we can literally go through and find bruises on my body to where she's touching me.
Anything else you have? Just ask.
No, you already fucking searched me.
I'm just saying. See? That's fine. That's why I just make sure, because if you do and it goes in there and
no, there is nothing
it's a big problem. Okay. All right.
She didn't want him arrested. He didn't want to call the cops. But in Wisconsin, nobody gets a vote when it's domestic.